Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting components and confirming their rating so the circuit stays safe. A 12V motor or tone generator, 555 timer, MOSFET driver, and an 8 Omega speaker. Once you have parts, lay them on a breadboard and wire the 555 in a stable mode to create a base frequency. This controls siren pitch. Make sure to include a potentiometer for speed control and test supply polarity with a multimeter. While testing, listen for stable oscillation before moving to permanent assembly. Once the basic tone works, introduce frequency modulation to get the Thunderbolt wail. Use a second low-frequency oscillator to vary the control pin voltage of the tone 555. This creates the sweeping siren effect. Adjust LFO rate and depth to taste. Make sure to include transient protection, flyback diodes for motors, and an RC snubber or series resistor for the speaker, so components survive spikes. When you solder, maintain short leads and common ground to prevent oscillation and hum during operation. You finish by mounting the completed circuit in a ventilated enclosure, installing a switch and a 1,2A fuse on the positive supply, and securing the battery. Once assembled, calibrate the pots while the siren runs under load. Measure current to ensure you are within safe limits. If distortion or instability appears, make sure grounds are solid. Decouple the power rails with a 100 microfarad electrolytic plus a 0.1 microfarad ceramic, and check solder joints. One key troubleshooting tip: noisy output often means poor ground or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.